Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix you can't post more than 10 photos on Instagram. For example, if you want to post multiple photos on Instagram and you see an error like you can't post more than 10 photos or 15 or 20 photos. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here, and here you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating, you have to simply open the Instagram app again. So here you have, it is showing an update, so you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating you have to close the app store app. So here you have to simply open the Instagram app after updating. So you have to simply click on profile. So here you have to simply click on three lines here. So if the problem is still there, then you have to simply report this problem to Instagram team. So for this, you have to simply go to settings and activity, and you have to simply click on help, and you have to simply click on report a problem here, and you have to click on report a problem without shaking, and you have to click on include and continue. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team, what is the problem with you. And after that, you can also mention screenshot and upload any video related to that. So in this way, you can simply send it to the Instagram team, and they will solve it for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.